This is Dodge 2007 and we have a check engine light on, and if we read the codes it says evaporative large leak detected P0455, and the reason is it's this purge valve. I think okay, so it's called PCV valve and canister purge. This is how it looks. So when it's broken, it gets stuck in the closing position, I guess.
Yeah,
and if you remove the bottom hose over here, you can feel that a broken one would suck in on the idle speed, but we replaced it and now it's a new one and it does not suck in at all. So that's how you fix the large leak. Okay, and to replace it, these hoses are connected right here. Just disconnect
you push this red button or whatever that is all the way to the left. So see if this is how you can
and then pull it off.
Yeah, then you push the button, the black button over there, whatever my finger is, and you slightly wiggle it off. And then to take the whole thing off, you just slide it off, just like so.
And then disconnect
these two hoses. You just wiggle them like so. Back and forth, but the vehicle's stuck in right now.
Okay. And don't forget to connect the other hose.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so and then you just clear the codes with any OBD2 code reader, and that's how you fix the large leak detected on the Dodge Charger 2007. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel.